Hey guys, how you doing? Sam Evans of Stockability here today. Just wanted to get in touch. It's been a while since I've done a video, and I was thinking to myself today, it's a great day and everything, and it's a little before 11 right now as I'm recording this, and I'm off to go to a cool little exhibition for my kid's art show that he's doing, and I'm kind of taking the day off now. But I was just thinking, instead of doing another video with kind of just charts and so on, let's just show you like what you should be aspiring to as a trader. I like to trade part-time. I don't like to kind of, be at the computer for too long, and I did a webinar about my top 5 tips for working with a small account or even a large account. I did that yesterday, okay? And you can still look at that recording, but before I actually show you how to get into that, here's what I'm gonna do is I wanna break down and show you my trading results over the last 4 days. Right now it's Thursday, okay? And just taking a look at my clock here, May 20th, okay? So I'm gonna look at it from 17th, 18th, 19th, and 20th, Monday through Thursday. I may trade tomorrow, I may not, I'll see how it goes, but I like to spend as little time in the market as possible. But what's important when you're doing that is making sure that you're actually doing a good solid risk to reward ratio, making sure you cut those losses off and actually letting those winners run to what the market's giving you. So sometimes you're gonna have big winners, sometimes you're gonna have small winners, and that's fine. So I'm gonna show you these breakdown of results, go on over to the PC right now and show you what to be looking for. And again, if you're really interested and you didn't catch my top 5 tips for starting with a small trading account, the webinar I did yesterday, it's still available. We can get the link out to you. At the end of this short video, I'll show you how you can get in touch with us and get a copy of that. Have a good one. Okay, so let's just go and take a look at these results then. So just a couple of things I'd like to draw your attention to. First, at the top of the screen here, what we can see if we zoom in is this is May 17th to May 19th. Okay, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. We're going to show you Thursday's results, today's results in just a second, because it is, as you can see here, May 20th right now. Here's what I want you to look at though, just some of the numbers on here. Now, I want to make it clear my average time in the market is typically, I would say at the moment, anywhere between 30 minutes and probably about 90 minutes. Okay, 30 to 90 minutes is the average time on here. Some trades are a little bit longer, some trades are a little bit shorter on here. So this is day trading. The other thing is every single trade has been done on the same market. Every market here has been the YM, okay, which is the Dow Jones 30. This is also done on a futures contract. And here we were using 3 contracts, okay, 3 contracts on here. So looking at about $15 a tick on this as well. So you can see that P&L worked out on here at this particular price of it, $3,038 on here over this 3 days, Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. But what I want to draw your attention to more is here 6 trades, so an average of 2 trades a day. The success rate on here 50%, right, literally half the time based on this as well. But again, while that's great, this is the number I really want you to see at, and this couldn't have come out better on here. But look at these numbers here that I want to zoom in for you. Average winning trade versus average losing trade. Average winning trade is $1,543. Average losing trade is $530. That always tells me I'm on track. That's what I want to see. And as a little extra bonus here, if you look at the largest winning trade versus largest losing trade, you'll see here's $3,168 was the biggest winner I had over that 3 days. $626 was my smallest loser I had. That makes me happy. They're the kind of numbers that I want to see. That's across that particular time on here. For some reason, the software isn't recording today's trade as well. So we actually, as I said in here, did do trade today. I did trade today, just going in and out, got a little long trade. Here's a screenshot of it based so you can see it on here. This was a long trade that I had just around this particular area and exited just around here. Ended up basically coming away, and if you can just look on here, with $720 profit as well. So that's on top of what I just showed you. So $720 on that. That trade was a short trade, probably in it for no longer than just under an hour or so on that particular one. So if we go and add that 720 to what we've got on here, what we're looking at about total across the 4 days of trading that we're looking at on here, total trading that we're looking at here is just shy of $3,800. Okay, I'll make that a little bit better on here, $3,800. Okay. You may look at that and go, well, you were trading bigger size. I grant that as well. That's fine. In my webinar that I did yesterday, you will hear me talk all about my top 5 tips for trading a small account. Okay. If you're trading a small account, if you're trading a fraction of that size, you take a 0 off. Take a 0 off. If you were just trading a fractionals account, that would be $380 profit. Average risk per trade, as you can see, would be about $50. So I don't want anybody looking at this video to think, well, I haven't got a bigger account. That's fine. You start small, you build up. And again, these trades that I did here could have been done on a smaller position size, exactly the same trades on the Dow Jones. You'd have been risking about $50 to make an average of $380 across, for about $380 across the week on here. So just take a 0 off here. So 53 would have been your average risk, 154 would have been your average win. That's how it would have worked out. Now again, 380 is not as great as 3,800, but you've got to start somewhere. And don't tell me an extra $380 over 4 days of work isn't a good thing. Okay, again, think about this. You start small, you build up to it from there. If you want to find out more about working with these kind of accounts, the best thing I can suggest you do is go over to our website, go over to stockability.com. You know where we are through here. This is all across social media. Go to our website. You can reach us, support@stockability.com. You can drop us a line. You can email us. You can direct message us through Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, however you find this as well. And check out the link to the recording, my top 5 tips for trading a small account. I hope you look at it. I hope you get something out of it as well. It's going to be up for the next couple of days as well, so make sure you get to look at that and reach out if you need anything. Have a great day. Take care.